Right, I'll put the camera back on again. I'll do a touch and go this time. We get on. We get on with the score. Testing, testing. That's better. There's a little bit of hiss, but that's fine. Knettishall traffic, Golf Alpha, Yankee Alpha Charlie approaching from the east. 5 miles to run for touch and go, Knettishall. Still got to do a circuit before touching. I'm not really supposed to joining overhead because of the aero modelers. That's better. I'll have to put up with a slight hiss, I'm afraid, otherwise.
Golf Alpha Yankee, bound runway 21.
What you can hear is other people all talking on the safety from frequency, which is a common frequency for old airfields like Knettishall, who haven't got their own frequency. So it's important that they state their name, and also they state which runway they're going into. Sometimes they state the runway but don't state the name.
21, Milton Hall, altimeter 29903.
That's two Americans, we don't want them. So imagine somebody calling up on safety cam final for 26 without mentioning the airfield. We've got a 26 as well, which immediately raises the hairs on the back of your neck. Is the on finals for my airfield. So coming up, there's the airfield now. We're coming down to 1,500 feet. As before, we'll do a right turn on a circuit. You can see the smoke nicely coming from, well, two areas. There's a field off to the right, and there's the pet bedding plant. It's actually veered a bit, so it's actually now coming more from the right, but that's still not a problem.
61, Lake Needs approach, traffic service, descend maintain, flight level 60, and
Knettishall traffic, Golf Alpha Charlie, overhead 1,000 feet and 1009er. Knettishall. So as before, turning right to go downwind and left base. And this time we're going to touch down, roll a bit and then take off. That'll be my second landing, and then we'll do a third. We'll call it a day. We're going, again, we have to do wide circuits here because of all the various farms and habitations. The farm we rent from is on the wingtip, then there's the Little Swift Hall.
Charlie 61, you can fly heading 180, descend maintain 3,000, Lake Needs altimeter 29903.
That's Lake Needs. I'm not talking to them so that I can listen to them, but it's useful to have them on. Right, downwind checks. We're coming up to the downwind now. Fuel pump
Charlie
off,
61, Lake Needs.
brakes off, mixture carriage mixture fully rich, pump fully fine.
Heading 180,
Fuel
descend
pump
maintain
on,
3,000, Lake Needs altimeter 29903.
Altimeter 1009, hatches and harnesses, no ice on the wings, and we're all set to go. We just need the undercarriage down when we get level.
And Charlie 61, you can proceed direct initial.
Knettishall traffic, Golf Alpha Charlie, downwind for 26, touch and go, Knettishall. Put the gear down. Three greens, that's useful. Now we're going on the downwind leg there. You can't see it, but I can see the big silver polythene triangle, which you can see for miles away, which is dead handy at the moment. Not there all the time, obviously.
Strix 02, Lake Needs approach.
Right, I need to slow down now.
Lincoln Heath, Strix 02 with whiskey, go ahead.
Strix 02, your request.
Strix 02 requests radar vectors to final for localizer runway 29 at Milton Hall.
Strix 02, roger. Radar contact traffic service, you can descend maintain flight level 60 and fly heading 190 vector for your localizer.
Traffic service down to 60.
That is your traffic, Golf Alpha Charlie turning base for 26 for touch and go, Knettishall. So we've got 2 stages of flap. So we're doing good, slowing down nicely. You've got 3 greens, props fully fine, mixture fully rich, fuel pump is on, landing light is on, temperatures and pressures are okay, hatches and harnesses are tight. It's coming up to the end of the base leg now. Just debating whether to put a bit more flap in. I'm not so sure that I will. I think I'll just stick with 2 stages. Knettishall traffic, Golf Alpha Charlie, final for 26, touch and go, Knettishall. Right, we've got 3 greens, red, blue greens, fully fine, mixture fully rich, and 3 greens on the right, so we're all set up to go. Slow down a bit, 100 miles an hour at the moment. It's a bit fast, so we'll slow that down. And you can see now the polythene in front, and then off to the top left of the polythene is the shadow of the brown hedges, and the top of the shadow of the brown hedges is the strip. We're going to land in that first bit of shadow. We're a bit high, so we'll come down a bit, I think. Make it a bit easier for me. If I land long, I won't be able to do a touch and go, so I'll stop. So if I suddenly look as though I'm not going to go around, it means that I've left it a bit late. But who knows? Coming down nicely, still a bit fast, so let's slow it down a bit. That's relatively smooth. This is where we get the turbulence alongside these thingies here. No, I think we can probably do a touch and go. Let's just touch on there, and then there we go. Bird there. I hope he doesn't fly up and smack into my wing. No, birds always go down. So here we go, we're off up nicely now. So we've got full power, flaps are down, climbing away. Positive rate of climb, gear up. And then we can now slowly engine down, and I'll thrash it to bits. "500 feet, we can turn right, nothing out there to interfere with us." It's just not worth talking to Lake and Heath when we're this far over to the east, and Mara might much use, correction, Wattisha might much use either. Down on my wingtip is where listen. What's it now live? Hall Farm. Old Man Wallace, as he used to be known. Right, so we're now on what's called the crosswind leg. Notice your traffic, Golf Alpha Yankee Alpha Charlie climbing away, leaving your circuit to the east at Knettishall.
Northwest of Melbourne Hall traffic service, climb maintain 3000 and turn left heading 220 vectors for your ILS.
Now my phone is indicating...
Takeoff Oscar Whiskey, 1 mile south. Well, we'll be joining right now with runway 21 at
My phone is indicating low battery, and as it's the phone I'm using to control the camera, I'm going to have to switch it off now. So, in fact, I'll try the vocal commands. GoPro, stop recording.